Is your on-streaming device running slow, lagging, or freezing during playback? Then you are at the right place. In this guide, we will show you how to permanently shut down all unnecessary background tasks. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to show you how to permanently kill those background processes, freeing up memory, improving speed, and giving you a cleaner streaming experience. Let's get started. Method: Tweak View Settings. To permanently delete, navigate to Settings. Then choose All Settings, scroll down and select System. Next, select About. Then scroll down and select Android TV OS Build. Click on the option for 7 consecutive times. This should enable the developers option. After you press it for 7 consecutive times, you should see "You are now a developer" message. Now go back to the System menu and scroll down to select the developer options. Next, scroll down and toggle on the Don't Keep Activities option. Don't Keep Activities is a function whose job is to kill every app as soon as the user comes out of it. This means that the device has to load the app's resources every time the user opens it, as it does not have the cached data or memory of that specific app to perform that task. Then select Background Process Limit. You can set it to no background processes. The setting prevents any apps from running in the background, which can significantly improve performance and battery life but may delay notifications. And there you have it. Your on-streaming device is now free from unnecessary background clutter. If this helps speed things up, give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more powerful tech tips. Have your own performance hacks for OWN? Drop them in the comments. We would love to hear what worked for you. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.